Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here, we show you tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today, we're going to be talking about on how to uninstall or remove a program from your PC. So, first and foremost, you'll have to go to your search. Once we're at our search, I'm going to be showing you two different ways. Once we're at our search, we're going to be typing this in, remove. From there, we can see this prompt up. We'll click on it. Once we click on it, from here, as you can see, click on the three dots on the right side, and we have an option on uninstalling it. So from here, we will uninstall. I'm not really sure what we want to uninstall, but let's uninstall this. And that should be it. That's uninstalled. The other way is from the control panel. We're going to control panel. Over here, right under programs, there's uninstall a program button. From here, go type in. You can type. If I type Zoom, it's gonna come in, or you could scroll and see what you want to install. I want to install Zoom for my PC, so I'm gonna press on that and press that, and that should be it. But please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. Now, if that happens, you want to restart your PC. But if it doesn't happen, the program's just gonna get uninstalled. Hopefully, this video helped you in one way or the other. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to press that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.